Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very important Google Cloud lab. This lab is very useful for freshers and also for working IT professionals. Most people think SQL is used only for selecting data from a database, but today SQL can also work with artificial intelligence. In this video, I will show you how we can use SQL with generative AI to analyze customer reviews, find positive and negative sentiment, extract keywords, generate automatic responses, analyze images using AI. This lab is called Analyze Customer Reviews with Gemini using SQL. If you want to build a strong resume in data, cloud or AI, this lab is very helpful for you. Now let us start from the basics and understand everything step by step. SQL is one of the most important skills in the IT industry. Almost every company uses SQL because all business need data. Data is stored in databases, and reports and reports and dashboards use SQL. Data analysts and engineers use SQL daily. Now SQL is becoming more powerful uh, because SQL is combined with machine learning. SQL is combined with generative AI. This means you can do AI work without writing Python code. This is why this lab is very valuable. Okay. Let's see SQL evolution journey from traditional database to AI powered analysis. The traditional SQL was invented in 1970s. Here, basic data queries for record retrieval and reporting, and cloud SQL like scalable analytics enabled by distributed storage and compute, and machine learning enhanced SQL late 2010, like that. Machine learning integration bringing predictive capabilities into queries. Okay, I will show you how it is. And AI powered SQL, here generative AI with SQL for natural language queries, NLP. Okay, and automated insights. Here, while coming to this lab, this is a Google Cloud hands-on lab. Actually, what is this lab? In this lab, we use BigQuery for data analysis, Vertex AI for artificial intelligence, Gemini as a generative AI model, and SQL as the main language. The main goal of this lab is to show how companies can read customer reviews automatically, understand customers' emotions, and respond to customers using AI, and analyze text and images together. This is exactly how real companies work in production. Why SQL is very important? I already told. I'll explain what is SQL and why it is. Okay. Here SQL is combined with machine learning also. SQL is combined with generative AI. And here the main topic is main point to discuss about BigQuery. What is BigQuery? BigQuery is a cloud data warehouse provided by Google. BigQuery is used to store large amounts of data, analyze data very fast, and run SQL queries on big data sets. BigQuery is fully managed. Here, no server setup. For BigQuery, there is no server setup. Very fast, scalable, and used by large companies like Google, like that. BigQuery also supports machine learning using SQL. This feature is called BigQuery machine learning. Okay. Here, end-to-end integration showing how to combine BigQuery data analytics with Vertex AI model training and serving. Okay, I will show you. Here, Vertex AI is what it is actually. Vertex AI is Google Cloud's artificial intelligence platform. What is Vertex AI? Vertex AI is Google Cloud's artificial intelligence platform. Vertex AI is used to run AI and machine learning models, manage AI service securely, connect AI with data tools. In this lab, Gemini AI model is running inside Vertex AI. BigQuery connects to Vertex AI. BigQuery sends data to Gemini. Gemini returns AI results. That is the process we are following in this lab. You can think of Vertex AI as the place where AI lives. That's it. Here, one more point is, what is Gemini? Here, Gemini is a generative AI model developed by Google. Gemini can read and understand text, analyze customer emotions, generate responses, understand images, create summaries and keywords. In this lab, Gemini is used to analyze customer review text, like detect positive or negative sentiment, generate marketing and customer service responses, analyze images and describe them. That is here Gemini what we are doing. These are the core technologies here doing in this current lab: BigQuery, Vertex AI, Gemini, SQL. Here SQL I already told what is SQL. Here SQL acting as a bridge between data and AI, providing structured query capabilities to extract, transform and prepare data for modeling and analytics. Okay. Here one thing, what is the difference between Oracle SQL and BigQuery SQL? Here Oracle SQL is a traditional database system actually. Okay, as I told, Oracle SQL is a traditional database system. Oracle SQL is used for transaction processing, banking systems, enterprise databases. But BigQuery SQL is used for analytics, reporting, and AI and machine learning. The main difference between these two is Oracle SQL is database focused, only database focused. But BigQuery SQL is data and AI focused. Okay, which means upgraded version of SQL is BigQuery for current situation, contemporarily discussing about AI related. So in the AI bloom, BigQuery SQL is plays a vital role. That's why BigQuery SQL is using as a data and AI focused. BigQuery works directly with the cloud storage and AI models and large data sets. That is the importance of BigQuery actually. This lab, actually, what is this lab? Who should learn this lab? Uh, this lab is useful for freshers, data analysts, data engineers, cloud engineers, AI and ML learners, and SQL developers. If you want a job in data field, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, this lab is very useful for you. Here for resume also you can showcase your skills. BigQuery SQL expertise, Gemini AI integration, cloud analysis, sentiment analysis projects like that. Okay. After completing this lab, you can write in your resume like used BigQuery with SQL, used Gemini generative AI, performed sentiment analysis, build AI based customer review analysis, worked with cloud data and images. This shows real industry experience. Okay. Let's see what is this lab data setup, lab tasks overview. Here what we are doing actually, let's go to, I am telling lab like that. What is this lab? Let's go to that actual lab. As I already told in previous sessions, build with Vertex AI, intelligence search, customer engagement suite related Google courses. These are Google important courses. In this, any course you, it will be helpful. Here 5 modules are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can complete any one, it will be helpful to your career growth. And for IT professionals, it will be helpful to get a Google related project, get a placement in Google related project if you complete any one of these three with complete these 5. Okay. Here we are at extend Gemini with control generation and tool use. Here, if you click on the learning path, you will get that theory part and lab part also. If you directly want to complete this entire module, just click go to straight to challenge lab and you can complete like that. Okay. In the part of that lab, here we are at analyze customer review with Gemini using SQL. Here, this lab. Here in this lab, there are how many tasks? To complete this lab, there are 8 tasks. Here, step by step, lab setup, step by step, I will explain. The first task is to create cloud resource connection, which means in this setup, I will show you in the. Okay, here the first task number 1. In this step, we create a connection between BigQuery and Vertex AI. This connection is required because BigQuery needs permission to use Gemini AI model. Gemini AI is hosted inside Vertex AI. A service account is created automatically. A service account is like a machine user. Okay. We give the service account the Vertex AI user role. Okay. This allows BigQuery to call Gemini safely. Okay, like safely. This is first task. Okay. And Second task, okay, second task, in this step we allow BigQuery to access customer review CSV files, review image files. These two, here we are grant storage permissions to access the storage files and images, okay, image CSV files and image files. That data is stored in cloud storage. We give storage object admin role to the service account, okay. What we are doing here, we have to give storage object admin role to the service account, okay. This prevents permission errors while running SQL queries. And the task 3, here what we are doing, first we are creating a cloud connection, later we are creating a storage permission, later here data set we have to create, data set and tables. A data set is like a folder for tables. We create a data set called Gemini demo. Here we are creating Gemini demo data set. This data set will store tables, views, AI models and all. Okay. Here like load customer review table we are creating. We will create, we use a SQL command called load data command we will use. And this command actually reads CSV file from cloud storage, loads data into BigQuery table like that. Each column has a data type like integer, string, date time like that. This is real world data loading. Data set here, this is here data set defines data sets and table schemas, then provision table for storing structured lab data and metadata. That's it. Okay, also create external table for images. Images are stored in cloud storage. We create an external table. This table does not copy images, only store image locations, allows SQL to read images. This saves cost and time. What it will do here, by create what table we are creating, the table which analyze the images, okay, images and forms a table, okay. So we are creating an SQL table for images also in BigQuery, that is unstructured data. And also we have to create a Gemini model. Now we create a Gemini model inside BigQuery. This is a remote model, okay. The AI model runs in Vertex AI, but we use it through SQL. This is very powerful. In task 4 we will create. And what about task 5? Task 5, analyze reviews for keywords, okay. We use ml.generate text function. This function sends text to Gemini. Gemini returns AI generated results. We ask Gemini to extract keywords from reviews. The output is stored in a new table, okay, like that. And sentiment analysis, task 6 is sentiment analysis. Here we again we have to use ml.generate text function. We ask Gemini to classify reviews as positive or negative. The result is stored in another table, okay. We will store it in another table. Here, cleaning the data. AI results may contain extra spaces or symbols. We create a view to clean the data. This step is important for accurate reporting, charts and dashboards, okay. And also create reports and charts. We use SQL to count positive reviews, count negative reviews. We also create charts inside BigQuery. This is used in business decision making, okay. That is sentiment analysis. Means charts also we can create like that. And generate customer responses. We can here marketing responses. For positive reviews, Gemini generates marketing messages. We can send discounts or offers like that. This improves customer engagement. And customer service response. For negative reviews, Gemini generates polite responses. Gemini suggests actions for improvement for the company, okay. This helps companies improve service quality. And finally, image analysis. Gemini can also analyze images. We use SQL to send image files to Gemini, okay. What we will do, we use SQL to send image files to Gemini. It generates summaries and extract keywords. This shows multimodal AI, okay. Here companies using this technology, this type of solution is used by e-commerce companies, food delivery apps, retail companies, SaaS companies, financial tech companies like that, okay. These things 1 to 3, data setup, tasks data setup, and later analysis pipeline. In two parts I divided that. 1 to 3 is data setup, and 4 to 6 is AI analysis pipeline, and 7 to 8 advanced features. In three ways, in these 3 ways we are going to complete the lab, okay. Let's see how to complete, okay. This is the lab. Here let's start the lab. Okay, lab was started. Now let's right click and open link in private. Okay, it is showing. Okay, click on I understand. Yes. Okay, it will open like this. Just a check mark, agree and continue. Now this is, I already told what it is, the Google Cloud Console. We will call this environment as Google Cloud Console. From here you can manage Google Cloud related services. One second. Now let's go to the lab. Here I already explained now what it is, what lab it is for. Now let's see. First, this is the student, this is the lab ID, and password, this is the password. And now what we have to do first, in Explorer, go to BigQuery, asking to BigQuery. Here BigQuery option is there. Let's click on BigQuery option. In BigQuery option, here Google Labs is there, and here, okay, box open. This message box provides a link to quickest guide and release. Okay, click done. Okay, next Explore panel. Switch to the Explore panel pane and add data. Here, here, here Explore panel. Explorer is there. This is classic Explorer. This is Explorer. This is files. This is repository. Okay, these here you have to click Explore panel. In this Explore panel, add data is there. We have to click on add data. Here, after adding add data, search for data source type Vertex. Data source type Vertex. Here, data source type Vertex. Yeah, Vertex AI. Click on Vertex AI. And after that Vertex AI, click on Vertex AI and BigQuery Federation. Click on BigQuery Federation. We got. Now, in this BigQuery Federation, in the connection type list, here already is there. Vertex AI remote models, remote functions, and big lake cloud resource already is there. And connection ID, Google connection ID, we are like this. And multi-region US, multi-region US is already default is there. Sometimes it not be there, you have to select. Okay, now create connection. Okay, now go to connection. Okay, it is not going, no problem. And okay, create connection. In the connection info pane, copy the service set. Here where you can find connections, see here connections is there. Now in connections, go to connections and click on this, and here service ID, this ID is very important to interact with Google Cloud Storage, so that's why it is very important. Okay, just copy paste somewhere or copy it. Okay, now text file to user, and you will see the connection is added under the. Okay, now grant permissions, we have to give permission in the console and navigation. IAM admin is there. See here, just click on IAM admin. IAM admin is there. No, simply IAM, click on IAM and admin. This is the. Now include Google provided role grants, click on that, and grant access, click on grant access. Here we have to paste the service ID. For that service ID and roles we have to assign. For that service ID, Vertex user role. Okay, Vertex user role, you can just type simply simply Vertex also, no problem. Vertex user ID, yeah, Vertex user you have to select, that's it, and save. Okay, now check the progress. How many marks for that? First 5 marks. Please grant Vertex AI user role to the connection service. Yeah, completed. Yeah, updated. Yeah, first task completed. Okay, in first task, okay, as I told, first task in this step we create a connection between BigQuery and Vertex AI. This connection is required because BigQuery needs permission to use Gemini AI. Gemini is hosted inside Vertex AI. Okay, a service account, Google connection service account we created now. That service account is created automatically. A service account is like a mission user. Okay, we give this service account the Vertex AI user role. Okay, for the service account what we created, that is for Vertex AI user role. This allows BigQuery to call Gemini safely. Now let's see uh, grant storage permissions, review images and files, and grant IAM role to the service account. Now what to do? In the cloud console, again go to in cloud console. You can just click on this. You can just directly click on cloud, Google Cloud. Okay, here Google Cloud Storage is there. No, you have to click on Cloud Storage. Here buckets are there. We have to click on buckets. In this buckets, our lab is there. Lab ID. Okay. Here these are our files, customer reviews and images. Okay. If you want to see the images, what are the images are there? Just you can just click on that and authenticated URL. Just simply click on URL like this. Customer images. Okay. You can see customer images like this. Cancel this and also again go to another image. If you want to go, you see another image, at fourth image, let's say just authenticated URL, you have to click to see the image like this. Okay, these images also we can analyze. I will show you how to analyze. Okay, from this cloud and customer reviews also you can check it. File opened. Okay, these are the customer reviews. Okay, just close this. No, not required as of now. Okay, okay, as per the task what it is showing. Now cloud storage buckets and okay, we reviewed this. Bucket contains GSP1246 folder. You can use authenticated okay to see the image, and here these permissions we have to grant. Okay, for storage, this is for storage permission. Okay, storage permissions, how to give same previously what we did. Simply here just search IAM admin, and again here include Google provided roles also and create grant, and here just paste the service ID. Sorry, what is the service ID? Service ID, I think. Okay, service service ID again you can check in BigQuery. 1 second, cancel this. Just go to BigQuery. Here in connections, go to connections, and in Gemini connections, here this is the service ID. No, connection service ID is required. And now go to IAM is okay, not present here. Okay, here it will be present. Yeah, IAM admin is there. Google Chrome console. Here just click on grant access and paste it. And here storage, what is the storage object admin role we have to give. Okay, that's it. Save it. Okay, in this step we allow BigQuery to access customer review CSV file, review image files like that. Okay, the data is stored in cloud storage. Okay, we give storage object admin role to the service account what we created with the Gemini connection service account. Okay, this prevents permission errors while running SQL queries. Okay, now what is the I think task 2 completed. Okay, we already saved that. Now let's see. Please grant. We already granted, no? Not this one. Also, it may take few changes. Okay, it may take few changes. Let's let's wait, or else let's continue with the next task. Now create the dataset and tables in BigQuery. Now let's see BigQuery. In the console, BigQuery, just go to BigQuery. Here, click on BigQuery. In the BigQuery, what it is asking to do, switch to Explore panel. Okay, we are in Explorer panel only. This is Explorer panel. Okay, in the Explorer panel, select labs. Okay, we are in labs only, and view actions next to datasets and create dataset. Here click on the datasets, and to create a dataset just click on dataset and dataset ID. This is the Google demo dataset name. Okay, and multi data location US multi location, and that's it. No need to do anything, just simply create a that's dataset created. Okay, here dataset is like a folder for tables. That's it. We create a dataset called Gemini demo. This dataset will store tables, views, and AM models. Okay, we created. Now let's see some create the table for customer reviews. Here what we are doing, load customer reviews table. We use SQL command called load data. This command reads CSV file from cloud storage, loads data into BigQuery table. Okay, this is load command we are using here. Load overwrite Gemini demo dot. I already told no, Gemini demo is like a dataset. Like this dataset will store tables, views, and AI models. Okay, Gemini demo dataset, and in that customer reviews table we are creating. See, now here to execute queries simply any, and here tabs are there. No, any tab you can click on that and simply paste it here. Load data override Gemini demo dot customer reviews. If customer reviews is a table, and in the name of the table we are creating from files.csv. See here, from CSV file, based on CSV files we are creating SQL tables. Now let's run it. Sorry, syntax error. Total run. Okay, data was successfully loaded into managed table. Customer reviews table data loaded successfully. Okay, this is real world data loading. In this way, in practically they will load data into data from files, customer review CSV file. Okay, here customer review CSV file, they will load from file to customer reviews table. In this way they will load by using BigQuery. Okay, now let's see what is the next task. This query uses data load statement to load the customer reviews table.csv file from cloud storage to a BigQuery. Okay, table with given column names and data types. Okay, now if you want to see here, classic explorer is there. Customer reviews table loaded in this way. Customer reviews table in this way it will be created. Okay, customer review ID, customer ID, location ID, like this the table was created. And now to create the object table you will use SQL query. Now let's see, copy this. To create new SQL query in the query editor, paste the query, create or replace external table for the images. See, now again go to here and run this. Here create external table for images. We are creating external table, directly table. We are loading file, directly file to cloud storage. To previously what we did, from directly loaded file, CSV file, customer reviews file, from cloud storage to BigQuery by using SQL. Here we are creating one table. Okay, create or replace external table in where in Gemini demo, in Gemini demo dataset dot, here what is the table name, review images with the connection us dot Gemini connection. Okay, options here from this link, Google Store, Google Cloud link. Okay, named review images created. See, review images table created. Okay, previously we loaded directly the file, but here we created a table for images. Okay, this table does not copy images. Okay, only store image locations. All allows SQL to read images. This saves cost and time. Okay, now create Gemini model. Okay, check the progress. Okay, this one completed. Here permission granted or not. Still, please grant IAM storage admin role to the connection service account. But we given permission. No, why it is showing? It is not a big task. Let's see again. You have unsaved work, or if you want to leave. No. Let's open link in new tab. Store an object. Okay. Here storage object union role. Okay, two rows created. Two rows created. No, why it is showing again? For connection ID, for same connection ID, storage object admin role, Vertex AI user role we given, but it is not updating. Connection service accounts. Okay, why it is showing even though we are updating it is not? Okay, let's see. Create Gemini model. Okay, now we create a Gemini model. Let's see. We have to create a Gemini model inside BigQuery. This is a remote model. The AI model runs in Vertex AI, but we use it through SQL. Okay, this is very powerful. Let's see. click on paste, copy it and go to BigQuery and again remove all these, control all, paste it. Here what it is doing, create or replace model related we are creating Gemini underscore demo dot Gemini flash remote with connection, and the connection name we are giving, and Gemini flash model, what model we are giving, and where we are creating Gemini demo. Options, endpoint is mandatory Gemini 2.5 flash. Let's run it. Okay, Gemini model we created. Okay, if you want to check, you can check in our data sets. Customer reviews, models, here models, Gemini flash model, routines are not there. Tables, customer reviews table from file, customer review images from images, image folder, and models, Gemini flash model we created. Okay, this is the beauty of BigQuery. And now let's see task 5, analyze reviews for keywords. Task 4 completed. Okay, accomplished. Gemini models created. Okay, 35 points. Now prompt Gemini to analyze customer reviews for keywords. Now here we use ml.generate text function. Let's see, create or replace Gemini demo. What is the demo? Gemini demo is a data set, and in the data set we are creating customer reviews keywords table, from where this select ml generate text LLM result, social media source review text, like that, from ml.generate text model, like this is the query. Okay, let's create, execute it. Here what it will do, this function sends text to Gemini and Gemini returns AI generated results. Okay, here we ask Gemini to extract keywords from reviews. Okay, the output is stored in a new table, like that. Okay, here this statement created a new table named customer review keywords. If you want to see it, let's go to datasets, Gemini demo, and tables, customer review keywords. This table was created based on the keywords, customer review keywords, and here you already created, that's it. If you want to check, just you can query customer review keywords. If you want to check, you can check, no worries. Simply control all, paste this and see results. This is the keywords, Google location, from the customer reviews, what it will take, from where the review is coming, India, Australia, Japan, like this. Here keywords, good location, delicious coffee, like that. Okay, and keywords from where it is, from Facebook, like that. And customer review, see this, for customer review is like this: the service at this location was great, the staff was friendly and helpful, and they made sure my coffee was made just the way I liked it, like that. In this, what are the keywords? It took keywords service and great, it took the keywords, okay, in the JSON format. Okay, and also great, staff, friendly, helpful, coffee, like that. This ml generate text LLM result, this is the LLM function, ml dot generate text function will take the keywords in JSON format, like this. Okay, from the customer review, this is the customer review, from that customer review it took keywords like this, okay, in JSON format. I already told what is JSON format, what is curly braces, what I told, tuples, lists, and all in Python class. I already explained what is tuple, what is list, what is dictionary, like that. Okay, this is dictionary. In this way it will take. Okay, now let's see the next task. Now it is asking to create a analyze customer reviews for the positive and negative sentiment analysis. Here also we use generate text. We can ask Gemini to classify reviews as positive or negative. This result is stored in the another table. That table is customer review analysis. Customer review analysis we are going to create with sentiment analysis. Okay, let's go to run this. Here customer review analysis table we are creating. It is taking time. Okay, customer review analysis table created. Let's see in data sets. What are the tables? Gemini demo here. Previously, first we created customer reviews from the CSV file. Later, from the for images, we created one table and customer review keywords and customer review analysis. Now let's see what the analysis is. See, customer sentiment analysis here, positive and negative, how many positive, how many negative, the customer based on the feedback, customer feedback, it will review what is whether it is a positive or negative. So like this sentiment analysis we can do on a organization customers data. Good service, it is positive. Good atmosphere, like that. The services could not be improved, could be improved, it is a negative. So like that, for negative positive, based on the negative comments and positive comments also, we can AI results may contain extra spaces or symbols. We have to clean the data for these also. Okay, I will show you. Don't confuse. Okay. Now create a view to sanitize the records. Now here what AI results may contain extra spaces or symbols. Okay, we create a view to clean the data. This step is important for accurate reporting and charts and dashboards. Okay, here create reports and charts. Now let's see one more SQL. What is that SQL? Clean data view. We are creating view in BigQuery. Like this data cleaning replace, like this data cleaning, it will takes place. Data cleaning related view we are creating. What is that? Clean data view. Clean data view we created. If you want to see, you can see, just refresh it. See, clean data view is there, table in our data set. Okay, now check the clean data view, how it will be. See, in this way it is very like this. It is a view for the table. It is a view is a virtual table. I did not occupy any space, but just a virtual table. Okay. Now what is that next task? To create report, we can use BigQuery to create a bar chart report for the counts of positive and negative reviews also. This is the beauty of BigQuery. Here itself we can create reports also. Now let's see how to create reports. Select sentiment count star as count from Gemini. Which table? Clean data. From view we are creating reports where sentiment in positive and negative, group by sentiment. See here, for positive reviews and negative reviews, it create a count how many positive reviews and how many negative reviews. Like this we can analysis. Okay, if you want to see, visualize this data simply in BigQuery. This is the beauty of BigQuery. We can visualize the data like this, positive and negative. Okay, JSON format and execute in details and execution graph. This is not required here. This is not required here. Results and visualization is important. Okay, like this. Okay, now create a count of positive. I already created this. If you want, just try once. Social media sentiment count star, where sentiment in positive or sentiment in negative, group by sentiment media. Like this, visualize and results. Like how, who given, from where, Google social media, a grouping like that's it. From Google social media, from Twitter, TikTok, from where we got positive, from where we got negative. Google, from Google we got negative reviews, Twitter we got negative reviews, TikTok we got positive reviews. Like that we can analyze sentiment analysis. This is called sentiment analysis for data. BigQuery is very helpful like this to analyze the sentiment of the data. And now just check the progress. Task completed. This one also completed. Respond to customer. Now let's see respond to customers. Okay, how to respond to customers, what we created the sentiment analysis. Okay, now let's take this and go to here. What we are doing, create or replace a table. What table? Customer reviews marketing table we are creating. Now let's run this. Here marketing responses we are creating for positive reviews. Gemini generates marketing messages. We can send discount or offers like that. This improve customer engagement. Okay, customer review marketing we created. Okay, now let's see. Let's check what is the review is. If you want to see the table, you can check this table, customer review marketing table. It will be created. See, customer reviews marketing table created. Now here like this. See, reviews. For reviews, if you want to reply for the customers, enjoy a complimentary or coffee on your text on your next visit, like that. For next visit, to attract the people for next visit, we are offering some offer codes and all, like that. It will like this it will create. Okay, now this is in JSON format. Now here we can clean that also. Let's see, we can make this easier to read. Okay, we can make this easier to read and take action on the response by user query. Okay, how to clean it? We have to format customer review marketing table. We are formatting as customer review text and JSON format, JSON query. This is a JSON query like this. We are formatting, we are cleaning the data, the review. That's it. Okay, created. If you want to go to table, just you can go to table like this. Okay, this is the table. And now just if select start from Gemini demo is the data set, and the data set Gemini customer review marketing formatted is the table. Just go to the query and let's run this here like this. See, for the text review, the customer review, this is customer review. The location was clean and inviting. I also like that there is a variety of seating, because sometimes I want to cuddle up my coffee, like that. Some reviews there by customer. For the customer, what is the reply? Enjoy a complimentary coffee on your next visit. Perfect for enjoying your versatile seating, like this. It will create automatic reply like this. Okay, for this type of positive reviews. And what about negative reviews? Negative reviews, handling negative reviews is little bit complex. Okay, for suppose you can use Gemini with these queries to accomplish this in this query editor. Like simply if you want to send, what is this? This is some negative review, I think. Okay, some customer responded with some very disappointing review. Okay, for that review, the type of review, how to reply, we are creating one response. Okay, for that negative responses, negative reviews, customer reviews, yes, response. Okay, created the table, created for the type negative reviews, how to react. In this way we can react. Okay, I am very disappointing experience. Okay, the location here the location they visited has been notified and we are taking action, like that. Okay, now for that you make this easier to read. How to make this easier to read? Simply we already have this type of trimming technique. Okay, just like this we can trim. Table created, main table with trim. Yeah, like this. Here text for the bad review, this is the customer review, and this is the response. Location they visited has been notified. We are taking action to improve our service at the location. And also it will suggest actions for the company. What type of actions? Implement staff training for customer service, review coffee brewing process, and like that. It will also suggest suggestions to the employees, customers or not customers, for the company employees, how to improve that, to make satisfy the customers, like that. It will also suggest. Okay, okay, this helps companies improve service quality. Okay, now let's see the image related. Oh, this one we already created, no? Okay, images. In this task, we will use Gemini to analyze images, generating keywords and summaries. Now, let's create a one more table, that is review image results. Review image results table we are creating. Okay, same dataset, Gemini demo dataset. In the Gemini demo dataset, review images results we are creating from the image, from the review images table. We already table created. Okay, that's previously we created review images table. I already shown. Okay, I think lab completed. Why? Fail to read the cloud file and provide the connection ID with correct permissions. One second. Actually, it will take time to review the image file because that is unstructured data now. Once it was created, let's see the results. Little taking time. Okay, finally it took a lot of time. Sentiment created new table, review image results created. Let's see whether it was created or not. Review images results. Review images results. It took little bit time. 2 3 3 minutes it took. Now let's see the table. What is the table is? Okay. So here for first image, a young Asian woman with long brown hair like this, and also I already shown images. The young woman with long brown hair and a dark leather jacket stands in, and a top down view. Next image, a top down view of a white ceramic cup filled, and for last image, a man with a curly dark hair and like this. This is the image review. It is JSON format. It will give in. Okay. Now let's format that JSON format into an just readable format. Just convert that. This is called JSON query. uh, Created, formatted. Now check that formatted table. Yeah, like this. Like this, it analyzes the images. A man with curly dark hair and a braid wearing a blue shirt. I already show no. Whatever image you given, that image it will analyze like this. Okay, and a man with curly and a person is showing in a grayscale close-up shot like this. It will analyze the image and gives the analysis. Okay. Okay, finally, this lab shows how SQL, Cloud, Generative AI work together in real projects. Okay, if you complete this lab, you are learning future ready skills. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much.